Now, we love hot cars, and the Jaguar and Land Rover have just that. Right, Scott?
Or this. Welcome to intense coverage of the opening of the brand new Jaguar Land Rover showroom. Why this location?
You know, so this is near New Kingston, it's on a main road. You know, we're fortunate to have the property already. And, you know, you can look at the size of this facility. We needed space.
We're at the Stewart's new facility. What you thought about the launch?
I thought the launch was amazing. The building is absolutely beautiful.
What would you choose?
The Range Rover Sport. I'm in love with it. It have the luxury, it have the speed.
It's exciting.
Different types of Jaguars, the different types of Land Rovers. Which would have been your pick?
You know that I love fast car, right?
I know that.
You know, that definitely FPS would definitely be my pick.
So hold on. How would that compare to, say, maybe a Lamborghini?
It maybe would be the closest.
Yeah.
That would give me the same feel and make me happy.
Yeah.
So, you know, that's why I would choose that.
Lovely way to end the evening at the brand new Jaguar Land Rover showroom right here on Arthurwind Drive. Well, you know what's even more intense than the launch itself? It's my Jaguar right here, right now. So I'm gone, goodbye. I'm gone into my Jaguar. Hold on there, who have the keys? Where the keys then? Who have the keys?